Hello friends, welcome to GK EduZone. Donald Trump has been nominated for which award? For Nobel Peace Prize 2021. Who won the men's single title of Australian Open? Novak Djokovic. First sitting of Constituent Assembly was held on 9 December 1946. World Radio Day is observed on 13th February. First recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Rashtriya Sadbhavana Puraskar, Mother Teresa. Entomology is related to insects. Last Viceroy of India was Lord Louis Mountbatten. Full form of OMR is Optical Mark Recognition. Merdeka Cup is related to football. Srinagar is situated on the bank of which river? Jhelum River. Who hosted the G20 Summit in March 2020? Saudi Arabia. Who wrote Humayun-Nama? Gulbadan Begum. Who is the governor of Maharashtra? Bhagat Singh Kashyari. Dead body of a person float on water because of buoyancy. Golgumbaz is located in Karnataka. UNESCO headquarters is located in Paris. Who first gave the idea of Constitution Assembly? M.N. Roy. Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened on 13 April 1919. Tehri Dam is located at Uttarakhand. Grammy Awards is related to music. Shining surface of the sun is called photosphere. Lichen is related to pollution indicator. Filmfare Award 2020 for Best Movie was given to Gulliver. Biggest island of the world is Greenland. National Defense Academy is located at Pune. Highest statue of Buddha is located in China. Largest solar power project in India. Kamuti Solar Power Project, Tamil Nadu. Full form of GNP is Gross National Product. Atal Bihari Vajpayee statue will be installed at Bhopal. Central Potato Research Institute is located at Shimla. First Tirthankar of Jain Dharma was Rishabhnath. National Aquatic Animal of India. River dolphin. pH value of blood. (7.35 to 7.45). Founder of Microsoft. Bill Gates. Currency of Japan. Yen. Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited was founded in which year? In 1907. Punjab National Bank headquarters is located in New Delhi. Surat is located on the bank of which river? Tapi River. Light year is the unit of distance. Amartya Sen got Nobel Prize in which year? In 1998. pH value of lemon is between 2 and 3. IPL 2020 was held in United Arab Emirates. स्वराज मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है. Who said this? बाल गंगाधर तिलक. COVID Care app was launched by which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Which part of Indian Constitution deals with elections? Part 15. First COVID vaccine. Sputnik V. Rourkela steel plant is in which state? In Odisha. Full form of MICR. Magnetic ink character recognition. India Gate was designed by Edwin Lutyens. Atomic theory was given by John Dalton.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।